So a very important section of 3D geometry is a section formula. Here you will get one derivation. That derivation usually you will get in exam for 5 marks. So simple agide because you studied this concept in 10th standard. So without any difficulty you will understand this. Observe carefully. So statement is like this: the coordinates of a point P which divides the line joining the points A of x1, y1, z1 and B of x2, y2, z2 internally divides line joining 2 points A of x1, y1, z1 and B of x2, y2, z2 internally in the ratio m:n r. So you studied in 10th standard the two coordinates nenpidya mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Iದೇ ತರ ನೀವು 10th standard ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು extra work ಇದೆ because there are extra coordinate z coordinate, so it will be like this. So this formula you are going to derive now, and remember exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ find the coordinates of the point ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, maybe determine ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, but okay, remember the answer and very easy to derive. So we are going to derive here only the z coordinate, and at the end we are going to write that similarly we can prove other two coordinates. Simple process, observe carefully. So it's a geometrical construction with the proof, so listen carefully. Proof. So let P of x comma y comma z, okay, let P of x comma y comma z divides the line joining divides AB internally in the ratio m:n. Now I have to draw this in the diagram. Okay, observe carefully. Z axis, y axis, x axis. Let me take 2 points A, B and the point P which divides in the ratio m:n. Some simple constructions are there, observe carefully. Draw AL, PM and BN perpendicular to xy plane. Draw AL, PM and BN perpendicular to xy plane like this. AL, PM and BN perpendicular to xy plane. Actually perpendicular, but diagram kanala, it's okay, nothing will happen because maximum you can write only this much in plane. Okay, one more construction. Produce LA to LQ and draw AQ, produce LA to LQ and draw QL parallel to LN. Draw Q, okay, Q, let it be R, QR parallel to LN. So if this is B, this is QR, this line is parallel to this line, okay, so that you will get 2 or 3 different parallelogram. So therefore LQPM PMNB are parallelogram. Okay, and because of this, therefore triangle AQP is similar to triangle PBR. Therefore, corresponding sides are proportional. So AQ, therefore AQ by BR, alva AQ is proportional to BR. AQ, this is proportional to this, okay, and AP is proportional to PB. AP is proportional to PB. What is AQ? Yeah, so AQ can be written as, observe carefully, QL minus AL. ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ QL minus AL ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Divided by BR. Again, this small distance can be expressed as, observe carefully, say from the same diagram, BN minus RN. And AP, you know, is nothing but M, PB is nothing but N. So yeah, QL, this distance is also equal to PM because it is a parallelogram. So it is nothing but PM. AL is a z coordinate of A. What is z coordinate of A? A andre no x1, y1, z1. So what is z coordinate of A? Z1. BN, this represent z coordinate of the B. A no z coordinate of B? Z2. What is RN? RN is equal to PM equal to M by N. Now what is PM? PM is a z coordinate of the P. What is z coordinate of P? If I take P as x comma y comma z, if I take P of x comma y comma z I took here, what is z coordinate of P? Z. So it is z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z equal to M by N. So nz minus nz1 equal to mz2 minus mz. So nz plus mz equal to mz2 plus nz1. Correct? So therefore z is equal to mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. I told in the beginning that I'm going to show you how to get the z coordinate, and we got it. So we got z coordinate, alva? So what to do with this? Yeah, anyway, you're not going to prove it because if you try to get x and y, it becomes 15 mark problem and you don't have such questions. So only you will get for 5 marks and this is it. Okay, but how to conclude? Hige bitbidavagilla. You have to write that. Okay, I'll write the conclusion here because statement is there in front of so easy to write. So after this you are going to write, similarly we can prove x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is it from the section formula. So conclusion baribekada aadmele just write this, similarly we can prove complete, because see you have to write now, you have to get the x and y coordinate, but you cannot prove geometrically like this. Possible, but it becomes 15 mark problem. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is from section formula. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Remember this question you can expect 100% in coming final exam. Okay, ಇದು last 10 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. So first note, if P divides AB externally in the ratio m:n, then external, okay, see the difference is only this much, mx2 nx1 by m and n. Suppose internal idre plus ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ external ಗೆ minus. So my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, mz2 minus nz1 by m minus. So just remember that the difference between the external and internal division is ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus. Now what do you mean by external division? See, confusion agbidi. In external division, the point P which divides AB will be lie outside AB. Please remember this, okay? The point lies will be outside AB, but still it divides. Yavagi divide agate helade, the ratio is in this form. M is distance from A to B, N is distance from P to B. Then only P divides AB externally. Please remember that. P divides AB externally only if, distance from A to P is M and distance from B to P is N. In every external division, the point P divides AB outside. Outside agi divide agodu nenpili. So ee formula nenpitkolbodalva? Second note. If P is a midpoint of AB, then P must be between AB, adil confusion illa. Then what is special about this here? This ratio is equal to this ratio. Andre 1:1 anta agbodu, 2:2 agbodu, m:m agbodu, n:n agbodu. So but the ratio will be same. Suppose this is m, this is n. Then what are the coordinates? M is 1, n is 1. So it become x2 plus x1 or x1 plus x2, 1 plus 1 under 2. Then again y1 plus y2 by 1 plus 1 is 2 and z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is known as midpoint formula. This is for external division. I hope you understood, right? So you have to remember three formula. One is section formula for internal division il plus barata hai, mid section formula for external division minus irata hai, and midpoint formula yellow with m and n will be 1. So you okay, that those constant is not visible, 1 1. Okay, so x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. So you have to remember these three formula. Now I will give you one more formula with the derivation. Okay, it is also very important. Just like section formula, internal division, this derivation is also very important. So next concept, centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. Did you know what do you mean by centroid of a triangle? You learned this in 10th standard. In a triangle, there is a one special point. Okay, in a triangle, there is a one special point. Okay, that point divides median in the ratio 2:1. The point divides median in the ratio 2:1. So that point is known as centroid of a triangle. 10th standard kaltirbekalva. Now I am going to derive the coordinates of G when you know the coordinates of A, B, C. Okay, this is also one important derivation. You will get this for 3 marks. Okay, see, question may be like this: derive coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. So I'll give you now the solution proper directly. See, you take the coordinates like this. Let A is equal to x1, y1, z1, comma b of x2, y2, z2, and c of x3, y3, z3 be the vertices of triangle ABC, of the triangle ABC. Seriya? Ha. Let G be the centroid of the triangle ABC. Then we know that then G divides, you know, AD, then G divides AD, that is a median. Median and gotidalva, that is nothing but median through A, that is a median through A internally in the ratio, this is the definition actually, in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1. Then G divides AD, that is a median through A, divides internally the ratio 2:1. Okay, so what are the coordinates of D? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what are the coordinates of D? D is a midpoint of BC, alva? So what are the coordinates of D? Midpoint formula, x2 plus x3 by 2, alva? Comma, y2 plus y3 by 2, comma, z2 plus z3 by 2. This is the coordinates of D. D is a midpoint of BC. So coordinates of D are x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, z2 plus z3 by 2. Therefore, what are the coordinates of G using section formula? You know this. 2 into this extreme, alva? x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 2 into adhe tara, same story, y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 by 3. Okay. Next one, 2 into Z2 plus Z3 by 2 plus Z1 by 3. Okay. And this final answer is, can you tell me? 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Correct? y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So this will be the final answer. This is the coordinates of G. So I hope you understood. This will be for 3 marks. Please remember. So how ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ information ಏನು? First you should know what you mean by centroid. Centroid is a point which divides median in the ratio 2:1 internally. So I am using section formula to get the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So we completed section formula, its derivation with the 3 information like external division, midpoint as well as centroid of a triangle. Now the last work of this section or this chapter is problem solving. Okay? Okay, so first question in the exercise 12.3, these exercises based on section formula, okay, midpoint formula and centroid of a triangle. Okay, so first question is simple, observe carefully, very simple problem. You know, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points in the ratio 2:3 internally. So, ಎರಡು point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ -2, 3, 5. Okay, another one is B which is 1, -4, 6. And we have to find out the point which divides line joining the points in the ratio 2:3. So internally, so the point should be between A and B. So you know section formula, right? So what are the coordinates of B? I'll give you one easy method here. No need to write the formula, no need to substitute to it. Observe carefully. A ratio, you know, M and N, you know, 2 and 3, alva? So then bari first again. Just write directly like this. Sorry, yeah? If it is internal division, yeah, you know it is addition. In between you will going to write addition. Use this method, cross multiplication method. ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟ್ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. 2 into -1, 2 into x coordinate of that ಅಂದರೆ 1. 3 into x coordinate of this ಅಂದರೆ -2. 2 into x coordinate of that -4 ಅಲ್ವಾ 2 into -4 plus 3 into y coordinate of this 3 ಅದೇ ಥರ 2 into z coordinate of this 6 3 into z coordinate of this you know 5. Simplify, write the answer, that's it. So what is the answer? 2 minus 6 by 5 minus 8 plus 9 divided by 5, 12 plus 15 divided by 5. So the final answer is minus 4 by 5, 1 by 5 and 27 by 5. So this is a point which divides line joining 2 points internally in the ratio 2:1. Suppose if they ask external, the only difference is plus take the minus haaki, you will get the answer. Artha aita first question? Very good. Next one. Given that P of 3, 2, -4, Q of 5, 4, -6 and R of 9, 8, -10 are collinear. Collinear andrenu? Yeah. So they are belongs to the same line P, okay, Q and R. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ coordinates ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Now what is asked? Find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So let the required ratio, let Q divides, you know, PR, let Q divides PR in the ratio, let Q divides PR in M:n ratio, M:n ratio. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದು M ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದನ್ನ N ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? Yes. So we need to find out M. So therefore what is M? M is PQ ಅಲ್ವಾ? What is PQ now? Distance formula you can use, right? So that is 3 minus 5 andre 2, 2 square andre 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square andre 4. Minus 4 plus 6 again 4. So that is 3 times 4 andre 2 root 3. Correct? 3 times 4, so 2 root 3. Right. And what is n? N is nothing but QR. What is QR? Distance between Q and R. 5 minus 9, 4 square, 16. 4 minus 8, again 4 square, 16. Minus 6 plus 10, again 4 square, 16. So 3 times 16, and 4 root 3. So therefore, what is required? M is to n, and m by n, and 2 root 3 by 4 root 3. So root 3 cancel, 2 by 4 and 1 by 2. So this implies m is to n is 1 is to 2. Is 1 is to 2. So this is our required answer. So this is our required ratio. So the point Q divides PR in the ratio 1 is to 2. Artha aita? Very good. Okay. So third question. Find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment formed by the joining the points minus 2, 4, 7, 3, minus 5, 8. Okay, here the line passes through the plane. Suppose this is considered a YZ plane. A line passes through a point. A line passes through a plane. Okay, so when line passes through a plane, the line passes through a single point. See, it will meet at the single point. Remember that. Okay, so the 2 points on the line is given minus 2, 4, 7 as well as 3, minus 5, 8. The 2 points are given. And this is a YZ plane. What is special about YZ plane? Yeah, its x coordinate will be always 0. So to get the coordinates or to get the ratio, we are using this special property of YZ plane. So if I rewrite this diagram like this, so this is A, minus 2, 4, 7, okay. B is 3, minus 5, 8, and the point P which divides, okay, AB internally in the ratio k is to 1. So I'm assuming here, I'm assuming here the ratio is k is to 1, okay. Let required ratio be k is to 1. Let required ratio be k is to 1. So we have to find out this answer now. See here, actually observe carefully. Illi y ಮತ್ತು z coordinate ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So we don't know it's y and z coordinate. So you no need to write full section formula. One part ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ part ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Only the x coordinate. So this is the point P which divides AB internally in the ratio k is to 1. Therefore, see, I am not writing full section formula. I am just writing the one coordinate. This is x coordinate 0. Okay, k into 3. ನಾನು ಆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ cross multiplication minus 2 by k plus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this implies 3k minus 2 equal to 0. So this implies k is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, what is the ratio? Therefore, required ratio is k is to 1 andre enagutte 2 is to 3. So this is our final answer. So required ratio is 2 is to 3. ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? k is to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? k by 1. k by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3 by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 3. ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ a reason. ಇದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, so this is the reason to this answer. So ratio is 2 is to 3. I hope you understood. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What is the special property here? Every point in YZ plane is 0, y, z. A problem important because of this reason. So ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ you will get the answer like this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. Next one. Using section formula show that 3 points are collinear. You already know how to prove 3 points are collinear ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Using distance formula you did it, right? But ಇಲ್ಲಿ particular ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೆ use section formula and prove 3 points are collinear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now I will show you how to use a section formula to prove 3 points are collinear. So now let us assume that 3 points are collinear. Let A, solution is like this. Let A, B, C be 3 collinear points. Let us assume in the beginning they are collinear points. Let us assume, okay. If our assumption is right, you will get one perfect conclusion that I will tell you what type of conclusion you should get to say our assumption is perfect, okay. If I assume 3 points are collinear, then the diagram I can write like this: A, B and C. Alva, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 1 by 3, 2. This is B, okay. Now, let us assume one more thing. Let B divides AC internally in the ratio 1 k is to 1. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, 1 is to k is also allowed. Let us assume k is to 1. Now, if I assume like this, what type of section formula we can write? Yeah, see this. Now, by section formula, you can write minus 1, 2, 1 equal to, this is k, this is 1, as I told the one cross multiplication method. K into 0 is 0, 1 into 2, and 2 by 1 plus k baratte, first one. Next, k by 3, alva, k by 3, minus 3 by k plus 1 or 1 plus k. Sariya? Next, 2k plus 4 by k plus 1. Ishta artha aita? Very good. Now, to say our conclusion is perfect, you must get one type of answer. Observe carefully. Equate x coordinate first. Minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1 plus k. Correct? So, this implies minus 1 minus k is equal to 2. This implies k is equal to minus 3. Now, what is special about this? We got k equal to minus 3. How we can say that our conclusion is perfect? Now, if you get same answer, even when you compare with the y coordinate, z coordinate, then you can write our assumption is right. So, answer is collinear. Okay? Artha aita ishtu? Okay. Now, compare the z coordinate. 2 is equal to k by 3 minus 3 by k plus 1. What I told, you must get the same answer to say our conclusion is perfect. So, 2k plus 2 is equal to k by 3 minus 3. So, 2k minus k by 3 is equal to minus 5. So, this is 5k by 3 is equal to minus 5. Minus plus cancel. So, k is equal to minus 3. Yeah, we got one more case with the k is equal to minus 3. The last case, if you get here k is equal to minus 3, you can write that our conclusion, our assumption is perfect. Now, what is the last case? Equate z coordinate 1 with this 2k plus 4 by k plus 1. So, k plus 1 is equal to 2k plus 4. Sariya? So, k is equal to here also minus 3. Perfect. So, we got k is equal to minus 3 in all the 3 cases. Therefore, our assumption is right. Our assumption is right. Is right. Oh, perfect. Therefore, 3 points are collinear. Therefore, 3 points are collinear. So, this is one very important question. Example hige keltare. Show that 3 points are collinear using section formula. Important question. Please remember for 3 marks. It's a 3-mark question. Please remember an important question. So, practice madi. Next work example sigate. It is your work. Okay? Yeah. This is the last question from the exercise. This is the last question from the exercise. The question is as follows. Find the coordinates of the point which trisect the line segment joining the points. Trisection andreno, dividing the line into 3 equal parts. Okay. So, P, Q quote here already. Alva? We are going to divide this into 3 equal parts. How many points are required? Yeah, 2 points are required. So, yeah, coordinates of P is known 4, 2, minus 6. Coordinates of Q is also known 10, minus 16, 6. Correct? And this diagram shows that to divide the P and Q into 3 equal parts, we require 2 points. Alva, we require 2 points. So, first we are going to find out A. And this diagram shows that A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇದು one part, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಂ. ಸೊ A divides ಅಲ್ವಾ, A divides PQ internally ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ? 1:2 ratio. Therefore, what are the coordinates of A? Using section formula, 1 into 10, 2 into 4 alva, divided by 1 plus 2 andre 3. 1 into 10, 2 into 4, comma 1 into minus 16, 2 into 2, 4 by 3. 1 into 6 plus 2 into minus 6. So what is A? A is equal to, therefore A is equal to n barate 6 because 18 by 3 is 6, minus 16 plus 4 under 12, so minus 4, and this is minus 2 because minus 6 alva. So this is the coordinates of A. This will be the coordinates of A. So A in bandu 6 comma minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 12, minus 6 by 3 minus 2, correct? Very good. Now how to get B? Okay, A find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ section formula use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. B ಏನು correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. B ಏನು? B is the tell me, B is the midpoint ಅಲ್ವಾ? Midpoint. No need to use again section formula. B is a midpoint of ಯಾವುದು? AQ. So coordinates of B using midpoint formula. Can you tell me what are the coordinates of B using midpoint formula? 6 plus 10, 16 by 2. Midpoint formula ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? minus 4 minus 16, minus 20 by 2, minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 plus 6, sorry, minus 2 plus 6 ಅಂದರೆ 4 by 2. So coordinates of B are 8, minus 10 and 2. So this is the coordinates of B. This is another point required to divide the line into 3 equal parts. So I hope you understood this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So we completed exercise problems from 3D geometry. ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡದ್ದು ಮಿಸ್ಸೆಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರೌಂಡ್ 4-5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಟಚ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪುನಃ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಸೆಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಸೆಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ under the heading miscellaneous exercise is simple one. Maybe ಇಂಥದ್ದು application problem ನೀವು 10th standard ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 vertices of a parallelogram. Out of 4 vertices, 3 vertices of a parallelogram is given. So they mention the name also. A given 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. B is also given 1 comma 2 comma minus 4. C is also given minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. What is required? The fourth vertex. So we need to find out the fourth vertex. Let it be x, y, z. Okay. So let fourth vertex be d of x comma y comma z. X comma y comma z. Now if I take the fourth vertex like this, x comma y comma z, how to get it? See, draw 2 diagonals and use one property of the diagonal. What do you know about the parallelogram? Yeah, in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, alva? So since ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, since ABCD is a parallelogram, we know that, what we know? Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD, alva? This is the one property of parallelogram. The diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other is the one common property of the parallelogram, so I am using that. What is the midpoint of AC? Midpoint of AC is 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, alva? Andre 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 2, andre 2. This is the midpoint of AC. Aditara, what is the midpoint of BD? X plus 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 2, and z minus 4 by 2, alva? Using midpoint formula, you can equate like this. So this implies x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So this implies x is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Next, equate y coordinate. Y plus 2 by 2 equal to 0. So this implies y is equal to minus 2. Last one, z minus 4 by 2 equal to 2. So this implies z is equal to 8. Alva 4 plus 4. So yeah, therefore, what is the fourth vertex? Therefore, fourth vertex. You know, fourth vertex enagatte? I'm writing answer here. X n bandide 1, y minus 2, z 8. So this is the final answer. So the fourth vertex of this parallelogram is 1, minus 2, 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಂತೇಳಿ? So use a common property of the parallelogram, that is midpoint of two diagonals are same. I'm using here midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. You'll get the answer like this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? First problem of Michelin exercise ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Very good. So find the length of the median of the triangle with the vertices. So for a triangle, how many medians you can draw? Yeah, you can draw 3 medians ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 length ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but I'm not going to solve all the 3 lengths. I'll show you how to get 2 length. 1 length is enough because other 2 is same as that of the first. So I'll show you how to get the length of the 1 median. Remaining 2 is a homework problem. Okay? Yeah, with the coordinates everything is mentioned, right? So what are the coordinates of A? 0, 0, 6. B will be 0, 4, 0. C will be 6, 0, 0. Now I need AD, BE and CF. So very simple. First find out the coordinates of D, E and F. Can you tell me what is D, E and F? D, median and no? D always divides BC. If AD is a median, D will be the midpoint of BC, E will be the midpoint of AC, F will be the midpoint of AB. So tell me what are the coordinates of D? Midpoint formula, 6 plus 0 by 2, 3, 4 plus 0 by 2, 2, 0 plus 0 by 2, 0. What is E? Midpoint of AC. 0 plus 6 by 2, 3, 6 plus 0 plus 0 by 2, 0, 6 plus 0 by 2, 3. F is the midpoint of BA. Enella bartade 0 plus 0 by 2, 0, 4 plus 0 by 2, 2, 0 plus 6 by 2, 3. So what is required now? Now it is required AD. This implies you required BE, okay? BE. And this implies you required CF. What do you mean by finding AD? Nothing but distance formula. What is AD? D is known, A is known. 0 minus 3 whole square, 9. 0 minus 2 whole square, 4. 0 minus 6 whole square, 36. Andre 7. Okay, I'll write remaining 2 also. I told I'll give you 1, but I'll write immediately 2 more, okay? What is BE? B gottide 0, 4, 0. E is also known. 0 minus 3 whole square, 9 plus 16 plus 9, 25 root 34. This is BE. Another median. Next, CF. 6 minus 0 whole square, 36. 0 minus 2 whole square, 4. 0 minus 3 whole square, 9. Again, it is 7. So these are the 3 medians of the given length of the 3 medians of the triangle. Artha aita? Very good. Next question. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with the vertices PQR given, then find the values of ABC. Yeah, this is also very simple. Observe carefully. A is known, B is known, C is also known. Okay? And even the centroid is also given. Centroid is given that origin. Alva, see, origin is the centroid. What are the coordinates of A? Coordinates of A will be 2A, 2, 6. Coordinates of B, you know, okay, they didn't use ABC, they used PQR. Okay, let us follow the same thing. Okay, ABC bada PQR. Q, you know, minus 4, 3B, minus 10. R, you know, 8, 14, 2C. And it is given that centroid is 0, 0, 0. So use the centroid of a triangle formula. 0, 0, 0 is equal to, just now we derived, no? ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? add all the x coordinate divided by 2 divided by 3, add all the y coordinate divided by 3, add all the z coordinate divided by 3. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2a minus 4 plus 8 divided by 3, 2 plus 3b plus 14 divided by 3, and the last one 6 minus 10 plus 2c divided by 3. This is center of a triangle formula. So this implies you are equating all this with the 0 only, because centroid is 0. So 2a plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ 2a is equal to minus 4. So a is equal to ಏನು, therefore a is equal to minus 2. So therefore a is equal to minus 2. Now equate y coordinate. 3b plus 16 by 3 is equal to 0. So 3b is equal to minus 16. So b is equal to minus 16 by 3. So this is our second answer. Next, equate z coordinate. 0 is equal to, ಇದು ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2c minus 4 by 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 6 minus 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, minus 4 by 3. So 2c is equal to 4. So c is equal to 2. So the another answer for c is c answer is 3. b is equal to 16 minus 16 by 3, and a is equal to minus 2. So this is it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is a very simple question. You can expect this in a final exam for 3 marks. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So 2 more problems left in this chapter. I'll complete immediately. Okay, next. Okay, so next question. Find the coordinates of a point which lie on the y-axis and at a distance 5 root 2 from this point. Okay, simple question. You know the point on the y-axis. Okay, let point P on the y-axis be 0 comma y comma 0. You know every point on the y-axis of the form 0 comma y comma 0. So let us assume that the required point is 0 comma y comma 0. Now what is given? Point, let it be q, because p already used in the question, so let it be q. Now what is given? pq is equal to 5 root 2. The distance from P to Q is 5 root 2. Correct? So what is the distance formula? Root of 9, 0, 3 minus 0 whole square 9 plus y plus 2 whole square plus 25 equal to 5 root 2. I'm just using the distance formula, nothing else. Innenu ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? Take square on both sides. So it is y plus 2 whole square plus 34 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 25 plus 9 is 34, square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 into 2 ಅಂದರೆ 50 ಆಯಿತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 5 square ಅಂದರೆ 25, root 2 whole square ಅಂದರೆ 2. So y plus 2 whole square equal to 50 minus 34 ಅಂದರೆ 16. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So y plus 2 whole square equal to 16. So y plus 2, take square root on both sides, plus or minus 2. So this will split into 2 parts. So first adeno positive idaga, y plus 2 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 2. Therefore the one point is 0 comma 2 comma 0. The one answer is 0 comma 2 comma 0. Which is another one? Y plus 2 equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 6. So the another point is 0 comma minus 6 comma 0. So there are two possibility which divide the distance from the, not which divides, the distance from the point 3 comma minus 2 comma 5 will be 5 root 2, and the two different possibilities are 0 comma 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 6 comma 0. A simple question. Artha aitalva? Very good. And this is the last question from this chapter. So we completed everything miscellaneous exercise except the worked out. Worked out is your work. I didn't do anything from that. So it's the last problem from exercise. Okay, the miscellaneous exercise. Observe carefully. If A and B be the 2 points respectively, find the equation of the point P which satisfies this condition. Simple one. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? P PA square plus PB square is equal to K square. This is a given data, okay, this is given. Now what is P? We don't know. Let us assume, let P of x comma y comma z be a point on the set, one point on the set. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ one point consider ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? P of x comma y comma z. Now use here, P A is known, B is known. Okay, what is A? A is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5. What is B? Minus 1 comma 3 comma minus 7 alva. So what is PA square? Therefore x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square, correct? Plus PB square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 7 whole square equal to k square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್? ಯಾ, ಸೊ ದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2x square. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ 2x square. y square, y square. So plus 2y square. Z square and z square. So plus 2z square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಹಾಂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 4x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8y, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6y, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 14y. ಮೈನಸ್ 8y ಮೈನಸ್ 6y 14y ಮೈನಸ್ 10z ಪ್ಲಸ್ 14z ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4z, right? Then constant 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 25 50, 51 60, 60 plus 49 ಅಂದರೆ 109 plus 109 is equal to k square. So this is a equation of the set of all points which satisfies this condition. So we completed 3D geometry, all the derivation and exercise problems. Okay, please work out the worked out problem which is worked out in textbook. Okay, thank you.